Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Last time we went to planet Ultanis and we went to Gorda City. And it seems as though we managed to explore 2 of 3 places completely. We found a Gadgetron PDA, we found a Morpho Ray, which is very, very fucking nice. And actually, I should whip that bitch out. We'll place it with a Pyrocitor Morpho Ray. Now, it doesn't affect crates or anything, but it does do something very comical and very cool. You can probably guess by the icon what it does. And the name. Come here. How did that not hit me? I have defied all odds. I am amazed I came out unscathed. I'm amazed I came out of that unscathed. Any more lamps, by the way? Not from what I can see. I don't know if there's a skill point for breaking all the lamps or something. I don't think so. Oh my god. I had like a small panic attack right there. I wasn't sure if I was gonna start grinding or if I was gonna fall, and I kind of panicked right there, not gonna lie. Also, that's incredibly obvious, and I will gladly take that golden bolt. Gimme. Fuck yeah. Just to clarify, there are some golden bolts that I am missing on other planets, and... Hello? Oh, duh, I have to have the fucking thing equipped. Actually, it wouldn't hurt to do that. I never really used the Sonic helmet often, but it wouldn't hurt to. Come with me, my little friend. You, me, and my Rhino are gonna kick some serious enemy ass. Ow. I don't know what use you may be, but better to allow you to, Are you really gonna try that, good sir? That did not just happen. Okay, I will say, one of the flaws about this game is that if you die, not only does it restart you to a checkpoint that's way the fuck back near the start of an area, but considering it didn't save your progress of where you are, it saves your progress of how much ammo you've used. Although, I guess I have a Gadgetron PDA, so I guess maybe they figured that I'd be using a lot of ammo to get through this, and it would probably kick my butt. So, can't really complain all that much. No. Okay, let's see what weapons I want to use. Devastator, Visibomb, Tesla Claw, Rhino. I guess I could use the Gadgetron PDA.
I got some great bargains for you today. That's a real beauty.
Yeah, it is gonna be definitely a lot more expensive.
That's a real beauty.
But I suppose it's worth it. Nice try, sucker. Yeah, I can see why this might be a little bit more tricky without Clank. But here's the thing. It shouldn't be that hard. It really shouldn't be as hard as I'm making it. It's just... I don't even know who or what to really blame here. I mean, I guess you could say it was kind of my fault for not looking where I was going. But at the same time, I really feel like the level looked like the ledge looked like I should have been able to grab it. So I don't know. One party's at fault, both parties are at fault, or none are at fault. I don't know. Probably one or both parties are at fault. Oh boy, I kinda remember this. I feel like I should be able to destroy those vehicles. But I don't know. I'll give it a go. These weapons can't... This, thing actually can last for a while. The thing to keep in mind is that this Visibomb can pretty... Oh, the Visibomb can pretty much go on for pretty much infinity, unless it goes out of range. Then it starts getting all staticky, and then it blows up. But, you know, boom. Here comes another one. Pretty sure I might be able to get a skill point for this. Oh crap. Provided I... The fuck did I hit? Provided I, don't go out of range like I did right there. I'm honestly just testing this out of curiosity. That's all. Can I reach that? Nope. I could always try using the Devastator, but I honestly don't think it would make it. And if any ship came around through... You know what? Fuck it. Anyways, let's go. Uh-oh. I should have known something was up with those. Oh god. I am amazed I even survived that. Ooh, the skill!
Hey, welcome to my shop. What can I get you?
I'm looking for Drac.
Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale. After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything.
Are you okay?
Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator, a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info bot.
Guess that bombing was pretty loud, huh?
Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price.
I don't know what just happened, but I'll gladly take it for half price.
Well, that's about it for me.
Thanks.
Quit your complaining. I gave you a great deal. Jeez.
Afraid to go out at night? Afraid to go out during the day? Just plain afraid? Then you need this. The Ultra Max Unlimited. This mech is the ultimate in personal defense system. Launch Industries is now taking pre-orders. Get yours before it's too late.
Now that's what I call serious firepower. Clank's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
Planet Core 2. Hey, that's where Clank was made. I think that's pretty much everything here. Hey, I was right. That statue was gonna get destroyed. What does that do, though, I wonder? Huh. I can give that a go. I was wondering why these were here. Oh, you know what? I think I know exactly what these are. I'm willing to yeah. A Versa target course. See, I thought this was here for a reason. Wait. I'm supposed to go just wanting to, I don't know. I don't know what I was doing there. Just thank you. I don't know if I get an achievement for those. I really don't. Oh my god, I got so lucky. Oh. Haha. Okay, like, I keep worrying about these skill points, but I'm like, but what do I do here? Like, it's like I'm trying to remember from so long ago, but I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just being ridiculous, honestly. Now, I want to know what was up with that, I want to know what was up with that, yeah, that platform over there. 'Cause I sure as hell don't remember that being a thing. Yeah, I don't remember that being a oh, no, wait. Yes, I do. I'm stupid. I'll worry about the skill point later. It's probably something I was doing right, but I just kind of fucked it up or something. I don't know. But also worth noting that there are no more weapons to buy. Alright, let's go to the robot planet of Core 2. Find out more about the Ultramech.
Well, I guess
Quark didn't eliminate them.
How absurd, Tom.
Thank you, sir.
How if you were only so diligent in doing your own job?
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
And alright. So nice to I keep wondering what that is. Oh well. Is this for my... What's in here? Oh. Oh, I see.
Now that you have the hydro pad, you can activate its turbojets by holding down the R.
I see. Oh, because I'm underwater, I can't use any weapons. I see what you're going with your game. Yeah. Okay, I gotta... Ow! Stop hitting me! It's like that fucking scene from Finding Nemo, where Marlin, like, at first, he, like, manages to avoid all the jellyfish no problem, but then he gets hit by every single one. Ha-ha! What's this?
Oh, yeah!
Bolt grabber? Let me guess. Let me guess. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that was so worth the challenge. Oh, hell yeah. Bolt grabber, baby. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Now, I think it's clear with the bolt grabber pretty much. That's a Venus flytrap. Ow! You dick! I'ma punch you. Yeah, that's what you get. My itches. Oh god. Trying to destroy me? I don't think so, pal. I'll teach all y'all why it's a bad idea to mess with me. Hello there.
Was it pi over infinity, or...
Hey, you need help fixing that thing?
Actually, I'm trying to destroy it.
Why?
I was contracted to re-engineer the enlarger machine to create huge, heavily armed mechs.
So that's where those mechs came from.
Precisely. Had I known Drek was behind this, I never would have done it.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, if you'll volunteer to be enlarged, you may be able to stop those mechs long enough for me to sabotage this machine.
And then you will change me back?
I've never tried that, but in theory, yes.
Can do. Oh. Oh yeah. This is gonna be just like that scene from Shrek 2. Oh, this is gonna be just like the... Remember Mongo? I need a hero! Oh yeah, I'm loving this. I'm forever gonna love this. Don't fall off. Oh god.
When your energy bar is full, press the triangle button to unleash an atomic energy blast.
Well done! Now just step into the machine and we'll see what happens.
Nice to have you back. Yes.
I recalibrated the controls to allow only your specific circuit pattern.
Oh, perfect.
I don't know how to thank you, too. Maybe this will help.
Oh boy, what do we got?
New! From Gadgetron, the makers of weapons and other fine products, comes the Hollow Guys. With the Hollow Guys, you can fool robots into thinking you're one of them. Match your wits against other robots. Work on robotic assembly lines. Attend robot parties. The Hollow Guys. Available only at Gadgetron headquarters for a limited time. Not to be used for illegal purposes. They'll only be sanctioned areas. You will not actually become a robot.
If I can get that thing, I'll be able to get past those robot guards.
Robots are not so easily fooled.
Ah, what's that?
What?
Robots are not so easily fooled. I just want to say, Clank, you're one to talk considering that a robotic copy of Captain Quark fooled you. Also, is there really anything else around here? I don't know. I don't think there is. I thought there was like a trespasser puzzle around here somewhere. The very last thing we're missing seems to be the Hollow Guys. What's this? Oh, pilot helmet. I love how Ratchet gives a thumbs up when you put it on, like, yeah! Guess there's not anything here. But yeah, we can't get in there unless we have a Hologuise, because those robots, they have a special system that basically can instantly kill me if I'm seen in my Lombax form. So, next time, everyone, we're gonna go to the Gadget site on Gadgetron site on we're gonna go to the Gadgetron site on Kalibo 3. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.